बताना तू. So as you know that what is today's topic, you have to talk about the disadvantages of science. Yesterday you talked about the advantages of science, that how the gadgets of science are useful for us, means they have advantages. But today you have to speak that how science is harmful for us. Suppose science has given a lot of weapons. Are weapons useful in any way? I think no. A weapon only kills a living creature. It can't save the life of anyone. So you this way think about the topic and try to speak. So first I am calling Sushil.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Ramban and interactive classes from 16. And today our topic that how science is harmful for us. As we know that we are living in age of science, and science has given us so many things, and which are very useful and helpful for us. But they also are harmful for us. Like, as we know that today's time mobile is very useful and important for us, but it is also it is also harmful for our health because when we use it for long time, eye may our eyes may get eyesight and we may have headache. So we can say that the invention of science is useful, but this is also harmful for us. And the science has given us weapons which are very useful for every country to save his enemy. And if
From
we
his
are
enemy.
using them
From his
in
enemy. आगे बोलो.
from it, and if we are using it in right way, so it is very useful for us. And if we are using them to kill anyone, so this is very harmful for all. Like as you know that our soldier used weapons to save us, and if if terrorists use them, so they can kill us.
Hmm.
So we can say that the science is useful, but this is also harmful for our health and for our life. So that's it.
Good. शाबाश. उमेश. हाँ बेटा.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
पूछ लो बेटा.
Hello everyone. I am a student of Ramman Interactive Classes from batch 19. Today my topic is harmfulness about science. Science has science has very useful for us but very harmful for us. Science gives us many things such as TV, fridge, washing machine, etc. Mobile phone. Mobile phone are very harmful for our eyes. We see the large time your eyes is pain and your headache. So I say
ध्यान से वी आ रहा है तो फिर योर कैसे हो जाएगा. हम देखेंगे तो हमारी आंख खराब होंगी, तुम्हारी कैसे खराब हो जाएंगी बेटा.
your
थोड़ा
your
फोकस करो,
eyes
थोड़ा सा फोकस कर, बस कुछ नहीं करना है तेरे को.
your eyes pain and pain your headache. I last say the mobile phone are very harmful for us. TV are very harmful for children's.
अब टीवी आर क्यों आएगा, इजी तो आएगा.
TV is very harmful for children's.
चिल्ड्रंस
Harmful
नहीं, चिल्ड्रन.
children.
हाँ ध्यान दे छोटी छोटी चीजों पे, नहीं तो ये छेद रह जाएंगे छोटे छोटे से, पानी निकलेगा
Yes, sir.
इनमें से, जगह जगह से प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. हाँ.
Harmful gases are produced by vehicle. Electricity are very harmful for
आर क्यों इज
birds.
आएगा ना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में. ध्यान दे, वर्ब पे वर्ब की गलती कर रहा है और कहीं गलती नहीं कर रहा तू. वो फोकस
Yes, sir.
करेगा तो ठीक हो जाएगा.
Electricity are very
अरे
harmful
भैया
for
इज
birds.
आएगा ना बेटा, आर क्यों आएगा.
Electricity is very harmful for birds. Last I say the science gives us many things but these things are very harmful for us. That's it, sir.
हाँ, अब थोड़ा सा और क्लियर कर अपने आप को। अब तूने ये तो कह दिया कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हार्मफुल है, कैसे है ये भी तो बता देता भाई। हाँ कोई बात नहीं, चल और थोड़ा सा क्लियर कर अपने थॉट्स को।
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा, इम्प्रूव कर बेटा अपने आप को, ऐसे नहीं।
Yes, sir.
वर्ड फॉर्म का ध्यान रख, और नहीं तो ये छोटी छोटी जगह 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 रह जाएंगी कमियां, दीवार कच्ची। समझ गया ना बेटा?
Yes, sir.
यस तनिष, आ जा बेटा।
Sir. Good evening, all of you. My name is Tanish. I am a student of Rahman Interactive Classes from Bench 19. Today, our topic is science is harmful for us. Why?
हम्म
As we know that science give many things for us, like electricity, mobile, vehicles, computer, laptop, washing machine, fridge, etc. Mobile, as we know that mobile is very important for us, but we watch mobile phone सर ज्यादा देर को क्या बोलेंगे
फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम।
for long time, so mobile phone hurt our eyes, and second, computer, as we know that computer is very important for our office works, but some children play games in computer.
वेरी गुड। सो इट इज हार्मफुल फॉर देम, ऐसे बना के बोल दिया कर आगे पूरा। हाँ आगे बोल।
And electricity, as we know that electricity give many electrical device for us, but सर शॉर्ट सर्किट होने को क्या बोलते हैं?
बिकॉज ऑफ शॉर्ट सर्किट्स पीपल गेट हर्ट। हाँ, पीपल गेट
because of
इंजर्ड।
because of short circuit, people get hurt, and freeze, as we know that we सर रखने को क्या बोलेंगे?
कीप पुट।
We keep the food in freeze, so food it does not spoil, but light is not come in freeze, so
बट इफ
food but if food is spoiled.
हाँ
Yes sir, that's it.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, वेरी गुड, शाबाश, कोशिश करते रहो बेटा, है ना। और नेक्स्ट टाइम और अच्छे से करने की कोशिश करना बेटा, हमेशा यही कोशिश करते रहो, बस खुद से लड़ो आप, अपने आप को और अच्छा करना है, अपने आप को और अच्छा करना है। ओके, यस आदित्य।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Aditya. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes for batch 18. Today's my topic is how science harmful for us. As we know that science is very important present time, but science is very harmful for us and present time. Science given us many gadgets like mobile phone, electricity, air conditioner, vehicles, etc. First of all, mobile phone. Mobile phone is very useful for our studies, like, but children play games and hurt our eyes, and our eyes
और नहीं देर
see red.
बच्चे में मोबाइल खेलता हूँ तो उनकी आंखें खराब होगी ना, हमारी क्यों होंगी?
Their eyes is red. After some time, we go doctor and we spend some monies. Second is air conditioner. As we know that this time is very hot, and air conditioner is very best, but present time air conditioner is blast and science, and this is the very harmful for houses. Second is vehicles. Vehicles is very useful go anywhere, uh, but hot hot temperature hot hot temperature engine is very hot and car burned. So that is the very harmful for humans.
हम्म शाबाश 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 बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड हाँ
Fourth is the computer. Computer is very useful for office works, job, and anywhere.
हम्म
But present time in children play video games and another Instagram anything use, and this is very wrong. And the computer is very low battery. And fifth is television. Television is very important for our entertainment, but the children and see a very large time television see and and cannot cannot write our cannot write our school homework
होमवर्क आवर नहीं
and
देयर होमवर्क
their homework and teacher punished children.
पनिश्ड नहीं पनिश
So,
प्रेजेंट में तो आ रहा है ना बेटा
punish,
हम्म
punish. So this is the very harmful for this is the very harmful things for science.
ऑफ साइंस
Of science, yes, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की शाबाश करता रहे ऐसी कोशिश मैं ये नहीं कर रहा हूँ कि बिल्कुल सही हो गया लेकिन बहुत अच्छा अभी कॉन्फिडेंस आ रहा है धीरे धीरे तेरे अंदर है ना बेटा करता रहे बेटा शाबाश वेरी गुड यामिनी
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashvi Sahu. I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes from batch B18. As we all know that yesterday our topic was advantages of science, and today our topic is disadvantages of science. So, first of all, we should know about the word of science. The science is a short word, but it logic and it contains a large number of things.
हम्म
In simple words, we can say that which we see and watch in our surrounding thing, and how these things works made is called science.
हम्म
It has given so many gifts. These gifts are so useful in our daily life, but if we become careless, these gifts make our life hell.
हम्म
Like if we have mobile phone is the most important gift of science. These mobile phone contains so many things by which so many impossible things are possible, but if we use this mobile phone over time, our eyesight become too much weak and we have to face blankness.
हम्म
The because of using these mobile phones over because of using overusing these mobile phones,
हम्म
the children forget their physical health, they forget their homeworks, they only play video games, watch reels, etc., which are totally unuseful for their future.
हम्म
They should they should do study, but they don't. They only like to play games. Some sometimes some students do study. No, sometimes some students tell their parents they do study, but they actually don't do study. They use some other apps. So this is also so bad.
हम्म
Now because of mobile phones, the importance of letters has been almost finished. As we know that the letters had an important role in our history, but
एन इम्पोर्टेंट थोड़ा ध्यान दे
an important role in our history, but and by the using of letters our love increases. But now we use mobile phones, and we if we want to tell someone some things, we only send a message.
फोकस करो आप इसकी डिसएडवांटेज पे, एडवांटेज पे फोकस मत करो.
Only send a message which is not increases our love.
Which does not increase. आगे बोलो.
But there's no today we have a TV, but today we have a TV. The TV has so many channels. These channels, some channels are so important, but some people only watch serials, cartoons, movies, etc. Because of it, we forget food, studies, our surrounding peoples, etc. We have science has given so many facilities, but these facilities have been made our life too much
बीन क्यों लगा रहे हो? Have made.
have
वर्ब
made
फॉर्म पे फोकस करो आप यार, और कहीं गड़बड़ नहीं है आपके.
okay sir, have made our life too much lazy, energyless, careless. There are so many machines which do those works which can be do by ourselves easily, but because of our laziness we do those things by machines. The science has given vehicles. The vehicles are also so much important, but these vehicles through pollution, which
Through harmful gases.
sorry sir, through harmful gases which pollute our environment. The science because by the use of science we can divide atom also. Now our scientists has made atom bombs, which are a good source of self defense, but as we know, the atom bombs are too much harmful for all, because if the atom bomb blasts, the effects सर ऐसे को क्या बोलेंगे कि उसके जो इफेक्ट्स बहुत दूर दूर तक जाते हैं.
It affects in large way.
It affects a large way. So these atom bombs are so much harmful for us. The science is the reason of the science will be the reason of our earth destroy.
Earth destruction.
As we know, if when the science will reach on 100, our earth will be destroyed totally, and the science will back on 0. So we should careful,
We should
because
be careful.
we should be careful. Thank you sir, that's it.
Very good. बहुत अच्छा बोला. बस थोड़ा सा ध्यान रख, ग्रामेटिकली ठीक करने की कोशिश कर चीजों को. यस कबीर आजा.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir. I am the student of Rambad English Interactive Classes from batch B18. Today's my topic is disadvantage of science. As we know that science gives us many things like mobile phone, computer, etc. They all are very harmful. Like science gives us a mobile phone, it is harmful because we watch it long time, our eyesight become weak, and our head panic.
And we have headache.
Okay, sir. And we have headache.
Hmm.
Science gives us washing machine, but it is the wastage of electricity.
Hmm.
Science gives science gives us science gives us AC,
Hmm.
but it through many harmful gases by which our environment polluted
Hmm. Becomes polluted. Gets polluted. आगे बोलो.
and our ozone layer became weak.
Becomes. Is becoming. हो रही है. Is
Okay,
becoming weak.
okay, sir. Our ozone layer is becoming weak.
हाँ.
Science gives us a chemical by which we can fake rain. We can do fake rain.
Hmm.
Like Mumbai do this thing.
हैं?
सर वो मुंबई ने किया था, दुबई ने किया था आर्टिफिशियल.
अच्छा आगे बोल.
Okay, sir. But it is very harmful.
Hmm.
Uh, science gives us science gives us science gives us many gadgets like a vehicle.
Vehicle
It is
gadgets
all
नहीं होते. चल बोल बोल अभी बोल. Hmm.
vehicles are also very harmful.
Hmm.
They polluted our environment.
Polluted नहीं. Tense का ध्यान रख.
Okay, sir. Uh, and science gives us many speed vehicle
Hmm.
by which people make rules.
Hmm. Violate. बोल आगे बोल.
Okay, sir. And that's why many accidents
There are many
do.
accidents.
There are many accidents are do in India.
Hmm.
Uh, yes, sir. That's it.
ओके बहुत बढ़िया. कोशिश करता रहे बस ऐसे ही. है ना. और इम्प्रूव करने की कोशिश कर अपने आप को डे बाय डे. रौनक.
Hello everyone, my name is Ronak. I read in Ramba Interactive Classes from batch 18. Today's my topic is how our science hurt to us.
ध्यान से वर्क फॉर्म को ध्यान रख थोड़ा सा.
As we all know, what is science? There are many inventions. There are many science inventions. There's like phone, TV, petrol, bike, car, etc. Phone is very useful. We connect with any person, anytime, anywhere. Mm, we take online class with the help of phone, but many children play games in mobile phone and they hurt our eyes.
और क्यों देर आएगा ना बेटा.
And they hurt their eyes.
Hmm.
And that is very big disadvantage of
Hmm.
phone. TV is very big source of entertainment. We watch any important news in TV, but many people watch movies and they don't do their work.
Hmm.
and uh, and their TV hurt their eyes. EV, petrol, bike and car. Petrol, bike and buy with the help of bike we go to anywhere in few time,
लिटिल टाइम.
in a
या
little
लेस
time,
टाइम ज्यादा अच्छा है. इन लेस टाइम.
less time. But many people drive bike and car very fast, and that reason there are many accidents. Science is very useful, but सर एक लिमिट को क्या बोलते हैं? in a limit.
हम्म
एक हद में.
हम्म
Science is very useful in a limit. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड. थोड़ा सा और फोकस कर, थोड़ा सा फ्लो आएगा, फोकस करेगा तो. थॉट्स को बिल्कुल क्लियर रख. यस श्री.
Hello
हाँ
everyone,
बेटा.
I'm Shri.
हैं?
Hello everyone,
ले-
I'm Shri and
बोल
today's
बेटा.
my topic is
बोल बेटा.
disadvantages of science. As you all know that science has given us so many gifts which are very useful for us. But these all have so many disadvantages also. Like science has given us TV, mobile phone, electricity, vehicles, etc. In present time, mostly people have mobile phones because it is very useful and very important, but this is very harmful for our health and for our eyesight. Like we if we use it for a long time, it may harm our eyes and our eyesight become weak. And and mostly students and children are misusing this. Like students are wasting their times in using this, and this is a hurdle in their studies.
शाबाश, बहुत
And
बढ़िया. हाँ.
and children are playing games in this and their eyes can become weak, so we should use it for a limited time.
हम्म.
And science has given us electricity, which is also very
बेटा
useful.
गिवन ऐसे नहीं, हैज गिवन.
Has given us electricity, which is useful, but because of electric shocks many people get harm. And in present time we are misusing this, and people are wasting electricity. So there is a lack of electricity, so we should save it. And like vehicles are important, vehicles are useful, but air pollution is increasing day by day because of vehicles, and global warming is increasing. So we should use these all gadgets in a limit. Thank you.
वेरी गुड. शाबाश. ओके, आजा बेटा. वैष्णवी आ बेटा.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. And today our topic is disadvantages of science. You know very well that we are living in we are living in science age,
हम्म.
and science has given us many useful things like cooler, AC, fan, vehicles, etc. And the disadvantages of mobile phone is children children use the mobile phone so much because they play games so much, so they can't focus on their study. And and we use the mobile phone and we use the mobile phone because our eyes become so weak, and it is and it is the cause of brain
शाबाश शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. तो बोल, थॉट्स बोल जो तेरे को आ रहे हैं.
cancer
कोशिश
and
कर बेटा, घबरा मत बिल्कुल भी. हाँ.
the electricity. As you know that electricity is the most important because we can't live without it, because many things are चलती है को क्या बोलेंगे.
Many things are operated या run, can be run only using electricity. ऐसे बोल बेटा.
Many things are run on
With
on that
electricity,
thing,
using electricity. हाँ.
electricity. And the cause of electricity is becoming short circuits in house, schools, etc. And
हम्म.
the AC. As we know that AC is the important in the summer. AC people use AC so much, and The advantages of AC is it is it is harm for our body,
It harms.
and it harms for our body,
4 की जरूरत नहीं है बेटा, our body बस.
and our body becomes very weak the of the air conditioners air.
Hmm.
Techn- more technologies is limited for us.
मतलब
ज्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी लिमिट में ही सही रहती है.
सही रहती है. तो मोर टेक्नोलॉजी इज गुड इन लिमिटेड वे. बन जाएगा ना बेटा?
यस सर.
हाँ, घबराए मत, बिल्कुल भी. अच्छा बोल रही है. आएगा बेटा, धीरे धीरे आएगा बेटा, सब है ना. हाँ.
यस सर, दैट्स
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया कोशिश की है बेटा तूने. शाबाश. कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत अच्छा आ रहा है तेरे अंदर. सेंटेंस तो हो जाएंगे, है ना. राइटिंग कंटिन्यू रखना बेटा. राइटिंग बंद मत करना बेटा, है ना. हाँ,
यस सर.
किसी ना किसी टॉपिक पे लिखते रहना है बेटा. और चेक भी करूंगा ये बेटा मैं, है ना. हाँ, आप कोशिश करते रहो बस. गीता,
Yes, sir.
आ जा बेटा.
Hello, everyone. My name is Geeta. Today, my topic is disadvantage of science. As we all know that very well, science is the very useful for us, but many people misuse of it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया.
People use technology for making illegal weapons.
वेरी गुड यार, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
It can be harm because
इट कैन बी हार्मफुल.
it can be harmful. The use of chemicals, it is increase pollution,
इट इंक्रीजेस. आराम से बेटा, वर्ब फॉर्म पे फोकस कर.
increases pollution.
हाँ.
Techn Mostly terrorists are making atom bombs, illegal weapons by use of science.
तुम छोटी छोटी चीजों पे आ जाओ. मोबाइल है, टीवी है ना बेटा. छोटी छोटी चीजों पे आ जाओगे तो इजी हो जाएगा. आ जाओ.
Bombs and atomic energy are increase many harmful disease
एक मिनट.
like skin.
आर इंक्रीज नहीं, हैव इंक्रीज्ड या आर
Have
इंक्रीजिंग. आर इंक्रीजिंग बोल दो बेटा. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में बना लो. इंक्रीज कर रही हैं.
are increasing
हाँ.
harmful disease like skin disease, brain disease, etc. The long time use of science media, it is become the reason of depression.
It has become.
It has become the reason of depression. Technology has snatched work from people.
Snatched.
Snatched work from people. Unemployment has increased day by day,
Shabash.
by which crimes increase.
Crimes are increasing. टेंस का ध्यान दे.
People
वर्ब फॉर्म पे फोकस
Yes,
कर
sir.
बस. हाँ.
People have become dependent on science.
शाबाश.
We use machineries in industries which is induce harmful gases.
इसकी क्या जरूरत है यहाँ पर? आगे बोल, वर्ब आ गई ना इंड्यूस, आगे बोल, कोई बात नहीं, तो आगे बोल, घबराए मत, बस फोकस कर, बिल्कुल डर निकाल दे दिमाग में से, बोल बेटा, गलत की चिंता मत कर, तू बस वर्ब पे फोकस कर बस, और कुछ मत कर।
Science become to us lazy.
मेक, साइंस हैज मेड अस, या साइंस
Science
मेक्स, हाँ मेक्स अस लेजी। टेंस का ध्यान रख, वर्ब फॉर्म पे फोकस कर, और कहीं गलती नहीं आ रही तेरी।
the use of science. People make people do many frauds
हाँ,
like cybercrime.
हम्म,
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला है आज तूने, बस अब तेरे को ध्यान रखना है आगे से, वर्ब पे फोकस करे, हिंदी की वर्ब फॉर्म भी और इंग्लिश की वर्ब फॉर्म भी। अब इसके लिए करना क्या है बेटा, तेरे को सेल्फ राइटिंग में हर टेंस के सेंटेंस लिखाकर मिक्स में, जितने भी तेरे को ध्यान आ जाए, अलग अलग सेंटेंस, अलग अलग टेंसेस के, अलग अलग वॉइस के, मॉडल वाले, ये वाले वो वाले, फिर उनकी इंग्लिश बनाया कर 15-20 सेंटेंस रोजाना लिख के। फोकस कहाँ करना है, वर्ब फॉर्म पे फोकस करना है, और कहीं गलती नहीं आ रही तेरी, हिंदी की वर्ब फॉर्म पे और इंग्लिश में वो फॉर्म कैसे बनेगा, बस। ठीक है बेटा, बहुत अच्छा है, कोई चिंता मत कर, सब हो जाएंगे। अपने को पता है ना अपन गलती कहाँ कर रहे हैं, फिर ठीक कैसे नहीं होगा यार, अपने को पता ही
जी
नहीं क्यों
सर।
अपन गलती कहाँ कर रहे हैं, तो मेरा काम यही तो है तुमको ये बताऊं मैं कि तुम यहाँ गलती कर रहे हो, इसको, इस पे फोकस करो, अगली बार में, एक बार में, 2 बार में, 3 बार में हो जाएगा ठीक, कोई दिक्कत थोड़ी है, सिंसियर स्टूडेंट्स हो तुम बेटा, है ना। गुड गोइंग, कीप इट अप बेटा, शाबाश। अनुष्का।
जी सर।
हाँ बेटा।
Hello everyone, my name is Anushka and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 19. So today's our topic is the disadvantages of the science. And we yesterday talked about the advantages of science. Now, day by day, the science inventions are increasing, and they are very useful in our daily life also. But there are many also harmful effects
हाँ बेटा,
of
शाबाश, हाँ बेटा।
the science inventions. Uh, just like we just like we made weapons for our safety, but the weapons by which we shoot the person, it harms that person. The that person also have his family and his country, like like America throw atom bomb on Japan. His that atom bomb
थ्रो की
effects
जगह
are.
ड्रॉप्ड बेटा, थ्रो की जगह ड्रॉप्ड।
जी सर।
हाँ बेटा।
Like America drop atom bomb on Japan. The effects of the atom bomb are now also visible in this
बहुत
time
बढ़िया,
also.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ,
Like phone is very important in our daily life, but now we are addicted now. But now we are addicted to the to these to these things like TV, washing machines. In ancient time, when we don't have any inventions,
डिडंट हैव,
sorry
वर्ब
sir,
फॉर्म, वर्ब फॉर्म पे फोकस कर जाओ बस अब। हाँ,
we didn't have any inventions, so the people of the ancient time did hard work,
फो
and
शाबाश।
they
हाँ,
and they always and they always worked in their fields. They always did their better, but now the people are becoming lazy day by day.
बहुत बढ़िया।
By the use of a phone, they do not go anywhere. They are very addicted to it.
दे हैव बिकम, ये ज्यादा अच्छा है, आर एडिक्टेड से, दे हैव बिकम, हो चुके हैं, एडिक्टेड हो चुके हैं।
जी सर।
वो भी गलत नहीं है, लेकिन ये और भी अच्छा लगेगा, हैव बीन या हैव बिकम एडिक्टेड।
जी सर।
हाँ,
They have become addicted, and by phone lights their eyesights become weak. By washing machines, people become lazy. They do not wash their clothes by themselves, but they use machines. And by the vehicles, vehicle is very important and useful, but the people purchase vehicles for their show off. They drive they drive cars, motorcycles at very high speed, so the accidents are happened. So
Are
in
likely to happen.
are likely to happen.
संभावना होती है। अब आर लाइकली मैंने बताया वो संभावना के लिए है।
जी
बहुत
सर।
अच्छा कर रही है तू। अब मैं तेरे को ऐसे इम्प्रूव करूंगा। सबको ही कोशिश करता हूँ मैं ऐसे, पर जिसका जितना लेवल होता है उसको उसके अकॉर्डिंग मैं चीजों को बताता हूँ, बस वो वाली चीज है। आगे बोल।
At last, I want to say that use these things uh, according to your requirement, but not as in your addicted way. And that's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश बेटा, कीप इट अप, वेरी गुड। सच में कभी कभी बहुत मजा आता है। संजू, संजू बोल बेटा।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sanju. I am a student of Ramban Interactive Classes. Today, my topic of
Is
disadvantages of
today my
science.
topic is, ऑफ नहीं लगाना, टॉपिक इज और फिर टॉपिक का नाम ले दो, बस फोकस करो
Okay,
थोड़ा सा।
sir.
हाँ,
As you know very well, science is very important in our life because science gives us many things like TV, fridge, cooler, phone, laptop, computer, etc. One of them is mobile phone.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ,
Mobile phone is very important in our life. Mo- Without mobile is nothing is possible
बहुत बढ़िया।
because we can do their work at home.
आवर वर्क, देयर नहीं, वी आ रहा है ना, उतर दो
Our
आवर। हाँ,
our work at home
हाँ बोल बेटा।
at home, but it is very dangerous for eyes and our body because it is weaken for our mind.
इट वीकन्स, बस एक गलती
It weakens for our mind.
फोर नहीं, आवर माइंड, फोर की कोई जरूरत नहीं है यहाँ पर।
Okay, sir. Science gives us many facilities, but these facilities are very dangerous
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा,
for our environment. For our environment, science gives us vehicle, but it is overuse very dangerous.
इट्स ओवरयूज,
But it's overuse very dangerous.
इज वेरी डेंजरस, वर्ब लगा बीच में, इज वेरी डेंजरस। घबराए मत, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है। छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, फोकस कर, मैं भी फोकस कर रहा हूँ, तू भी फोकस कर, ठीक हो जाएंगी। घबराए मत, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है। हाँ,
on the environment, on our environment.
क्या है? आगे बोल, आगे बोल, अगला बोल, थॉट बोल।
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया
On
बोला
यारा
है
mind
पागल, अरे
है।
बहुत बढ़िया बोला है तूने पागल। कल का और आज का तो जमीन आसमान का अंतर आ गया। सुनना अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग खुद, कल की भी सुन लेना बेटा, आज की भी सुन लेना। तू घबराए मत, कॉन्फिडेंस रख। मैं कह रहा हूँ, मेरी बात पे भरोसा रख। मैं अगर कह रहा हूँ कि तू अच्छा कर रही है, मतलब कर रही है। बस भरोसा रख थोड़ा सा मेरी बात पे, कॉन्फिडेंस रख बेटा, कॉन्फिडेंस लूज हो जाता है तेरा कभी कभी, वो नहीं करना है तेरे को। बस बाकी बस ये कुछ नहीं करना तेरे को, बस यही करना है। और तेरा वो सिलेबस मैंने देख लिया है बेटा, टेंशन मत कर, सब कुछ वैसे ही चल रहा है अपना, घबराए मत, सब अपनी रेंज में है सारी की सारी चीजें। तो बस हिम्मत रख और घबरा मत, बिल्कुल भी डरा मत कर बस। समझ में आ गया बेटा तेरे को बात? डर को निकाल के फेंक दे बाहर, डर बड़ी खतरनाक चीज है। हाँ लक्ष्मी गुजर, आ जा बेटा। सो गई क्या? सो गई दिखती है तो। ओ मैडम, पार हो गई।